United States Development Program Representative and United Nations Coordinator Kaarina Immonen commented on the advantages of holding the meeting outside of Vientiane in a post-meeting press conference on Friday, saying, "Roundtable meeting, a productive forum for exchange."
Individuals that have been part and working very hard together to make this
The Roundtable Implementation Meeting, or RTIM, is an effective platform for productive exchanges between the government and development partners on the progress of their cooperation and enable participants to receive first-hand information on development issues. This was the view expressed by a senior representative of Laos Development Partners about the recent RTIM, which took place in Vientiane provincial capital in the departure from the meeting's normal venue in the Laos capital.
Excellent work that is being done in the various development project sites.
She said this year's Roundtable Implementation Meeting had impressed development partners through its relocation to Vientiane province. This enabled participants to visit development projects such as organic food farms and vocational training and health facilities. All of these projects are delivering so many positive results and continue to enforce the results and have prospects for their future strategy and vision on how to take these forward. The meeting assessed the first year of the 5-year National Socioeconomic Development Plan, or NSEDP, for 2016-2020 and the challenges and prospects for the coming years.
That the discussion at this year's Roundtable Implementation Meeting was of high quality.
According to United Nations Development Program Representative and United Nations Coordinator Kaarina Immonen, the discussions at this year's Roundtable meeting were of high quality, and the government has set a very open format for dialogue, which was appreciated by development partners. The meeting was attended by members of the National Assembly, development partners, the private sector, and civil society. The dialogue they engaged in was a full demonstration of more robust development partnership in operation and action.
Highlight some of the major items that were...
She said this kind of meeting was an important channel for the translation of the national agenda at the provincial level and other local levels. The discussions and field visits were very helpful in making sure that responses were adjusted to local priorities and that there was participation in planning and implementation. She pointed to the integration of planning and the global agenda into national strategy and the subnational level as a concrete way that the government and development partners worked in partnership. Another important aspect of effective cooperation was the provision of data for use in decision-making. Attention should also be paid to gender equality and specific beneficiaries, such as adolescents and girls. In this regard, the availability of statistical information was of particular concern, especially in relation to nutrition.